Video for you today. It is the official overview for Pandex Ltd. Limited. Here's a little history on it. We've been researching this now for about a month, and I have partners that have been involved in Pandex now for almost 2 years. And been watching it very carefully, and now I'm finally bringing it to you guys and to the U.S. and around the world. Here's the history and creation and growth. Pandex was created as a subsidiary company in 2001, yes, 16 years ago, as a result of a merger between Osaka and Kyoto stock exchanges. Yes, this is based out of Japan, and it started its activity on the leading Japanese stock, commodity, and financial markets. So bottom line is this is an established financial company that now has a cryptocurrency offering, and that's one of the reasons why we're bringing it to you, is because we love Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So this isn't a cryptocurrency company. This is a financial company that is offering a very unique Bitcoin crypto offering to the public. All right, so moving right along, Mr. Minoru Mori, a Japanese billionaire, became the new owner as the company's capital was predominantly private, with the controlling stake remaining with Mr. Mori. The company continued to be a closed joint stock company with only a few being able to access its services. So this company was geared towards high-end corporations. It wasn't available to individual investors. The company had successfully been handling all its functions for the following 7 years, working within the mentioned business focus. So due to the mortgage crisis in the U.S. in 2008 and so forth, resulting in the bigger international one, Pandex managed to take the vacant places in the exchange business globally. So I'm just going to kind of skip through here a little bit. Of course, at any time you could take a look at our site, and my direct site here is startpandex.com. This allowed the company to reach the financial turnover, listen to this guys, $3,840,000,000. $3.8 billion, which is why Pandex has confidently gained a seat among the biggest exchange players in the world. That's impressive. 16-year track record. Pandex is steadily expanding to the transactional stock marketing field as a result of serious achievements, and you can read more about that. However, in 2012, which is about 5 years ago, Mr. Minoru Mori died, and the board of directors decided to split the company. Now, I did a little research on Mr. Minoru Mori. You could take a look here. This is a gentleman that was very well respected. I'm just going to take a look here as a little sidebar. He inherited his initial fortune from his late father, Takashiro Mori, the world's wealthiest person, in 1991. The wealthiest person in the world was his dad. And then his net worth was a cool $15 billion in 1992 when he was $13 billion, according to Forbes magazine. So he was a real estate billionaire. He passed away. He was the owner of Pandex. Okay? So I just wanted to give you a little background there. In 2015, a former head of the Strategical Development Department, Marko Milosevic, backed by Hiroshi Mikitani, that's key here, a Japanese billionaire, is backing the whole company now, starting in 2015, and I did a little homework on him as well. He bought out the controlling stock and became Director General of Pandex, Milosevic. So he's the front man, but the back man and the investor is Hiroshi Mikitani. It's great to know the owners, isn't it, guys? And was aimed at company re-registration and relocation of its principal legal and financial requisites to a country member of the Commonwealth. Pandex, as a resident of such country, provided for safety and security of its assets using the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland as a protectorate. Okay, so let's take a look at Hiroshi Mikitani real quick. There he is. There's a nice net worth, 2017, $6.7 billion. Japanese billionaire businessman and the founder. You can read more about him here. Japanese billionaire, 52-year-old man, family man. He's the fourth richest man in Japan. That's who's behind Pandex. So when people say, well, Bill, how do you pick from all the different companies and programs out there? Well, we try to be as selective as possible. So here's the man behind it, $6.7 billion. You're getting your research here. And again, as always, if you get value from this, I encourage you, give us a thumbs up and a comment. And of course, you want to get future updates, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Once you click that subscribe button, you're going to see a little bell on the right-hand side. That's your notification bell, and that's where you're going to get instantly the updates. This is critical, time-sensitive information so you can make some money. Of course, always do your own research, but at the end of the day, we always encourage people to take action. All right, so that's a little background here. Pandex history. January 13th, 2016, Pandex received a brand new international license and became a full participant of the exchange trading. I mean, this is impressive to me because that's when they were able to start making their investments, their offerings available to the individuals. Because what good is it if they're making it available only to the top level corporations? Now they make it available to you and me for as little as $100 to participate in an offering backed by the fourth richest man in Japan, worth well over $6 billion. All right, so you can see this. I want to show you some paperwork here, documents. Here's the documents that you can find on Pandex as well. Okay, let's see if we can find their certificate and their licensing. That should be just a minute. I'm going to keep moving here. Okay, here it is. St. Vincent and Grenadines, Pandex Limited, January 13th, 2016. So, of course, you guys want to be on the cutting edge of a company that's growing, give you an opportunity to make money, but you also want sustainability. You want a company that's been around. This company has been around since 2001, but this is their new certificate of incorporation, their international license, January 13th, 2016. In the U.S., most people don't even know who Pandex is, but I can tell you what, the Japanese do, the Europeans do, and the fourth richest man in Japan obviously knows about it because he's the one that owns it. All right, so let's keep moving. I'm going to go a little bit deeper here, guys, about the company. Let's go to the home screen. Right decision, profitable capital investment, guaranteed income in the short term, daily payouts, constant growth, reliable strategy, maximum accessibility. They have a nice corporate video here from this young lady who does a very nice job. The world needs a broker for which the requirements of customers are paramount, which adapts to all the features of the rapidly changing financial environment and files together with global world markets. Flies together, which has the best tools, first-class bidding strategies, and reliable protection, introducing Pandex, the new world standard for online trading. So this is a financial company that's providing offerings. Here's some of your action steps. Account registration, and you could do that at startpandex.com. Or, of course, get back to the person who shared this video with you, because we always want to honor who shared this video. And we really want to grow the team. If you found this through me or through online, we encourage you to use the link that is below. Here are some of the bullet points. Why us? I like this. Many years of successful trade experience. Work quality backed by results. Nominee of awards for the best asset management conditions. We process all financial transactions anywhere in the world immediately. Enhanced protection for safer trading experience, systematic reporting on trading, largest commercial market analytical center, special program for balance protection. Watch this, guys. Pandex has client account insurance secured by $100 million of our authorized capital, and they have the best MT4 trading instruments. They're known to be great in Forex and stock trading and opportunity for personal trading and deals, and guaranteed security and legal aid. Wow, that's terrific. And you could click some of these buttons to, again, do your own research. I recommend that you open up an account, a free account, so you can get in here. I'm going to quickly just go through the investment. There's 4 investment directions, as they call it, or opportunities. Actually, I'm going to go from the bottom to the top here. This is the beginning level for people for lower dollars, just testing the system at $100 and above. That is the SGX. That's the Singapore exchange. Average income 0.81% per day. And by the way, all of these directions are Monday through Friday. 5 days a week, does not pay out on the weekends. You can see over 16,000 investors already in this one. Right now, 33 million. Is that correct? No, 3,374,664 right now in this one. And you get your money back in only 25 days. That's a capital release. So you would get your income plus capital release, and it shows you projected. Now, these are averages. They are not guarantees. That's the $100, 17% on average. Then stepping up a little bit at the $500 level and above, you can see the 17 jumps to an average of 26.6%. There's real trading going on and led by the top trader, David Green, is active on one of the leading international stock exchanges located in London and specialize on non-ferrous metals trading. All right, so that's a minimum of $500, average 1.27%. Look at this, 17,901 investors already in this. Capital release, only 30 days. Then you can reinvest, and you could add to that if you'd like. And right now, about $8.5 million in this particular program. The next one is the NASDAQ, which is Jason Smith, who's an actual trader. This trading and analysis group, led by top trader Jason Smith, is active on one of the 3 main U.S. stock exchanges. So if you like stock trading, this one's a minimum of $1,000. They have almost 12,000 investors, 11.9. They currently have over $18 million in this particular fund. Average income, impressive, 1.56% over the course of a year, 406%. That's for people with a minimum of $1,000. And my personal favorite, and the one that I just got in last week, finally, again, my only regret is I didn't do this sooner, is the cryptocurrency. And that's the XAO, who actually is a real person. This trading and analysis group led by top trader Geng Xiao is active on one of the largest international cryptocurrency exchanges. Average income, 1.99. That is tremendous. Just under 2% a day. 1 month, 41.79. The only catch here is a minimum of $5,000. So if you're able to do this, I highly encourage you. As always, do your own research. You have to take 100% responsibility for your own money. Even though this is backed by billionaires, there's still the potential that we could lose money in this. So only put the money in that you can afford to lose, as this is not guaranteed. Although they do have insurance, they say, backing up each and every one of our investments. So this one's impressive. 50-day capital release, 7,738 investors already. And look at this, 62,861,000. I love the way they're so specific. This is the focus here. And then to invest, put the money in here. And then there is an optional trading. There's an optional referral program for those people that believe in sharing. Sharing is caring. In the beginning, you start here with a 5% for all the people that you bring in, 2% the second level, 1% third level. So really, really conservative, what we call a unilevel program. Once the people in your group have a minimum of $4,000 invested, then you graduate to the second tier, and then it's 6% first level, 2%, 1%, 1%, and so forth. I'm going to take you quickly into the back office here just to show you that I actually have an account. And again, at any time while you're watching this video, you can go ahead and click that, thumbs up and comment. We always like to see the comments, what you like about it, if you're already in or you're excited about getting in. And here I'm going to show you that, I'm going to bring me here, that I already have $15,000 in there. Okay, and I plan to increase that significantly. Passive income has already been $1,552. Partner reward, $311. That's a little commission. This is my first video on this. And I just want to show you just passively what's going on. So here we are. $5,000 minimum, 50 days, pay out Monday through Friday, and then when you go in the back office, you can see all this. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go ahead and click the investments. I'm going to click this investment up here, see what happens here. Okay, good. And you can see all these laid out, so you can decide. Okay, let's go to the top one. We click the invest button. Okay, that's there. And let's say you wanted to do $5,000. Click investment. Okay, then you would show agree and so forth. I already have money here, so if I wanted to add, I can do that. There's some cool calculators here as well. And more about the company. FAQs look great. What is Pandex? What does the company do? And so forth. So Pandex is an international certified financial market broker. What does the company do? We offer our clients an opportunity to trade currencies and share personally as well as invest in their capital. How long has the company been operating for? Okay, so officially registered, this division of it, the subsidiary, January 13th, 2016. May I see the documents? Absolutely. Registration records are available to anyone on the website. You can see that down here, reports and documents, right on the lower right-hand corner. What are the guarantees? Legal safeguards. Pandex is an officially registered company with all the necessary licenses to offer its services worldwide. Technical guarantee, prompt tech support, speedy order processing on the company's server, and quality services provide for the maximum profit in the shortest terms. Financial guarantee. That's Pandex. That's not me guaranteeing it. Pandex is stating that. Our analysts and traders know the market situation inside and out and only get into the most profitable deals which benefit all our business partners, and contract with a $50,000 deposit. You can sign a written agreement. The owner will actually sign a written agreement with $50,000 or more. So that's pretty cool. Are the deposits insured, even if you don't have $50,000? So it's nice to have that extra layer where the owner of the company has signed, but it is safe. We are licensed and a regulated broker. All client money is kept in a segregated, which means separate, bank account. Moreover, all client money is insured by the Investor Compensation Fund. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing here, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I'm saying it for the third time. Do your own research. Put in the money that you can afford to risk. And then here's the partners. Let me actually go to this, and I'm going to be closing out the video very shortly. I'm going to go to partners, and I haven't cut the first video yet. But look at this. People believe in what I'm saying already, just in the little sneak preview thing I did. Look at all the people coming in already. I really appreciate that for using my link and being connected. 22 people have signed up already, and this is my first video. I don't say it to impress you. I say it to impress upon you. People want this offering. They want Pandex. They like the overall company. They see it. And I just want to encourage you to get with the person who shared this opportunity with you and get rolling. They have a terrific history. They can show you all your transactions. You could see I've actually withdrew the funds, no problem. Completed. Funds added. Very nice. You can go daily. So this is really transparent and what they're doing here. Investment. Let's see here what we have. And whether you're going to start with $100, $1,000, or $5,000 or more, they have something for everyone that can get in there. So with that said, I think I'm going to close out this video here in just a minute. You can see they have some news that they show, which is really nice. Trading. Just a detailed site. They actually have products to help people trade on their own as well. And they have the investment. So if you're looking for an opportunity for passive income and letting professionals do the trading for you, okay, in this case, the cryptocurrency, could you imagine putting money in here and making a return over a year, 519% on average? That's pretty nice. So it's a balance. Yes, we should all own Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. That's on the growth side. On the income side, Pandex is now elevating to a top 2 recommendation that you can have income coming in and get paid in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So with that said, this is Bill Constantine, CEO of Bitcoin Freedom, encouraging you to get started. I want to wish you a fantastic day. Get back to the person who introduced you to this video. Click the Get Started button, register your account, and let's stack some crypto. Let's stack some Bitcoin together. This has been the review for Pandex. Have a great day.